In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide epics from your Kanban board in Jira. This is a handy trick that can help declutter your board and streamline your workflow, ensuring you're only seeing tasks and issues that are immediately relevant. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, we need to open your Kanban board. This is the main workspace where you manage your project's tasks. If you're not already there, navigate to your board through the project sidebar. Next, look for the three horizontal dots right next to your board's name. This icon represents additional options, and when you click on it, a menu will open up. From this menu, you'll want to select Board Settings. This section allows us to customize various aspects of the board according to our needs. Once you're in the board settings, our next stop is the Layout section. Within Layout, you'll find a tab labeled Quick Filters. Quick filters are a powerful feature in Jira that let you tailor your board view quickly. When you're in the quick filters area, you're going to want to click on Create Quick Filter. Think of a quick filter as a tool that helps slice through all the chaos on your board, showing only what you need at that moment. Now it's time to name your filter. How you name this filter is entirely up to you, but it would be useful to choose something descriptive. A name like Hide Epics or Show Non-Epic Issues can be a great choice because it tells you exactly what the filter does at a glance. Naming your filters clearly helps not just you but anyone else on the team who might be working with these boards. After you've named your filter, move on to the JQL section. JQL, which stands for Jira Query Language, is a powerful search language in Jira that lets us define our filters in more detailed terms. In this field, type the following query. Issue type, epic. What this is telling Jira is essentially, show me everything that is not classified as an epic. With that done, click on Create to save the filter. Once it's saved, you'll want to test it out. Go back to your board and look for the Quick Filters drop down. When you click on it, you should see the filter you just created. Select this new filter to activate it and watch as your board refreshes to hide all the epics, showing only the issues you're interested in. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've learned how to declutter your Kanban board by hiding epics using a quick filter. This little trick can significantly improve your focus by ensuring your board is streamlined and relevant to your current needs. Thanks for watching and happy task managing.